What's up, guys? It's AJ, unexpected neglected, out here today with Jacob from ML Outdoors and his friend Zach, who just keeps on finding stuff and more stuff.
I'm not sure what it is.
Is that a gravestone marker?
Nah, it looks like a...
It looks like...
I don't know if it looks
And then up above,
Christa.
Christa.
That's me.
Cool. Yeah, I once took a friend collabing with me and forgot her name, so...
Oh yeah, I got some. What is that?
Railroad tie.
Yeah, I got a railroad tie.
That's awesome.
Sweet.
Lucky you getting something. And it wasn't
Nice railroad tie.
Yeah, let's see what it's called.
right there.
That?
Yeah, that orange.
Oh, found a piece of angle iron for you.
Zach's first magnet fishing catch right by the shore.
I'm fishing like Nick fishes.
Oh, you actually did get your official first magnet fishing find. That's an L.
Let it go. Let it go.
Oh, I got this thing all dirty.
Let it go.
Oh, you got metal wire.
Get this rock out of here.
Okay, well, we got metal wire and a rock that's magnetic.
How's apartment hunting with Abby?
Oh.
You can take out all that stuff that has that girl in it that you bring with you occasionally places.
I don't even think I filmed with the GoPro when he came.
Big nut. That's a large nut.
Got something.
Same.
Can't say I would do it again. Did not like it. Won't do it.
That's the first nut we found here.
Yes.
Okay. Aha!
Oh, I've got something
What'd
on
you
it now.
find?
Something big.
Something metal and pointing.
Oh, rebar.
I might need a hand with this thing.
What did you find?
I don't know. It's something cemented. Oh, I also had a.
Okay.
Don't drop it.
What the heck is that?
Might be a
I don't know what
concrete
this
support.
is. Just stand of some sort.
Unless it's something that could have gotten washed down from Camp Allegheny.
This is the sign of something, I just don't know what.
Christa, where's that big hunk of shit? I almost want to say it looks like a trailer hitch or some kind of stuff.
What you found up there? That looks like the hitch for a trailer.
Hold up.
That's what I'm thinking, but why the hell would it have threads?
Hold on. I found that over there when I first came down.
That he found over there.
Let's get this straight here.
Yeah.
All right, so we're done magnet fishing here at the bridge. Here's some of the stuff that we found. Zach found this, whatever that is. Giant pole of some sort. This is what was in my bucket. I got that little claw looking thing, and there's a bunch of rebar in there. Giant piece of rebar there.
Big piece of what I guess is an exhaust pipe. We'll ask Reddit to verify. And more rebar.
So I would say this was extremely successful, and it was fun. Our first magnet fishing collab with Ghost Guy Explorations. If you like these kind of videos, let us know. Comment what you think and subscribe for more videos. We'll see you next time.